In this video, we are going to talk about some major new updates in Base44. So without wasting any time, let's get started. One of the biggest additions is the ability to publish your apps to app stores, along with the launch of the new standalone backend platform. The Base44 backend platform is now live, and it is designed specifically for modern AI-driven development workflows. It is a managed backend that is CLI first, meaning instead of clicking buttons, you give commands. Also, it is real-time and built to work smoothly with AI agents. With this platform, you can deploy full backend services such as authentication, database, real-time functionality, and hosting directly from the command line. You can then connect this backend to any front-end or tool you prefer. It is also optimized for AI coding agents like Claude Code and Cursor, allowing them to interact with your backend more reliably and with minimal manual configuration. Another major update is Base44 Payments. You can now enable online payments with a single prompt. All you need to do is type something like "Enable online payments," and Base44 will automatically set up a checkout for your app. There is no need to configure API keys or leave the builder environment. You can connect your payment system in one click, and your checkout will go live instantly, so you can start accepting payments right away. The payout setup can be completed later from your dashboard when you're ready. This feature is being rolled out globally in phases, so availability may vary depending on your region and local payment regulations. Base44 has also expanded its connector ecosystem with the addition of Google BigQuery. This allows you to connect your BigQuery data in seconds and add a data agent directly into your app. Once connected, you can ask questions about your analytics using natural language, and the agent will fetch and interpret the data for you. An interesting addition here is that you can even query your data agent through WhatsApp, making data access more flexible and accessible. Another important improvement focuses on access control and collaboration. Builder access has now been separated from app user roles, giving you more granular control. Builder permissions are managed through collaborators based on workspace access, so you can invite team members to help build your project without automatically giving them access to live app roles. At the same time, you can create custom user roles inside your app and invite users directly into those roles without giving them builder permissions. When removing someone, you also have the option to remove only their builder access or remove them completely as an app user. This makes team and user management much clearer and more flexible. There's also a major update related to AI model control. You can now choose your preferred AI model before sending your very first prompt. This gives you full control over how your app is generated right from the beginning. Depending on your needs, you can select models optimized for stronger reasoning, smoother iterations, or better performance for creative and design-heavy builds. Recently, 3 new models have been added. Claude Opus 4.6, which provides stronger reasoning for complex logic and multi-step workflows. Claude Sonnet 4.6, which uses adaptive thinking to match the reasoning level to your prompt and delivers fewer errors for a smoother experience. And Gemini 3.1 Pro, which performs especially well for gaming and design-focused workflows, while remaining fast and responsive. Automatic mode is still available if you prefer, but now you have full control from the start. Another productivity-focused feature is prompt queuing. You can now send additional prompts even while the AI is still processing a previous request. These prompts will be queued and executed automatically one by one. This helps you maintain your workflow without losing your train of thought. You can also queue prompts that include files, reorder or edit queued messages, and pause or resume the queue at any time. Base44 has also launched a new section called Spotlight. This is a curated gallery that showcases some of the best apps and websites built using Base44. You can browse this gallery to explore real projects and get inspiration for your own ideas. If you have built something interesting, you can also submit your app and potentially get featured. Overall, this release marks a significant step forward for Base44. With a standalone backend platform, one-prompt payments, expanded connectors, better access control, more AI model choices, prompt queuing, a public showcase gallery, and stronger community engagement, the platform is clearly evolving to support developers and creators at every stage of building and scaling their applications. And with more updates expected soon, Base44 is continuing to expand into a complete AI-powered development ecosystem. If you want a detailed step-by-step tutorial on how to build a website using Base44, then you can check out this video right here. If you liked this video, do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching.